Concrete block 3-bedroom 2-bath home on 0.27 acres with wooden fence. Home has been remodeled with new paint inside and out, new roof, new AC, new backsliding door, new carpet, master bath shower tile, new kitchen cabinets and countertops, new dishwasher, and new window blinds. Plumbing was updated 4 years ago. Call today for your private showing. All information, measurements and sizes are deemed to be accurate but not guaranteed. Any information contained herein that is critical to buyers' purchasing decisions must be verified by the buyers.